guys, so I am just getting ready to go to my parents' house because we are going for a barbecue. It's Sunday. It was really nice weather this weekend. It clouded over now, so I have on like a big sweater thing, but we are still going for a barbecue even though it's a little chilly. So I'm just getting ready for that. We're leaving soon. I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about the jewelry I'm wearing today. So I'm just putting in my hoops here. So this jewelry is from Ana Luisa, and they make the most beautiful jewelry. So they have like kind of like from super affordable to more like fine jewelry type pricing, but all of their jewelry is just stunning. And I love them because they are a sustainable brand. So they're carbon neutral. They have just really great quality. They're made to last. They're not just gonna be like something you buy and wear a couple times and then it turns your body green. They are all gold plated. They use recycled gold, which is amazing. I am actually gifting my mom an early Mother's Day gift today, which is a necklace. So I'm giving my mom this particular necklace because it has a tulip on the pendant, and that is her favorite flower. So I'm giving her that, and then I got for myself this cute little flower charm bracelet. This is what the earrings look like. They're kind of like little twisty hoops. I would say this is more of a casual style. So it's just more of like a fun kind of style. And these hoops are just nice and small, so they're perfect everyday hoops. So like this outfit is literally how I would style this, just like jeans and a t-shirt and a little sweater, and then some gold jewelry. If you want to check out some of the gorgeous jewelry pieces, click the link below and you can shop 15% off until May 9th. So it's on right now. So make sure you go check out the pieces soon so that something that you love doesn't sell out. Can you put my bracelet on for me? It's so cute. I love how like dainty it is. I'll update you guys when we're at my parents' house and when I'm giving my mom her necklace. I'll also show you guys what we're eating at this barbecue because we'll be trying a new vegan product. Actually 2 brand new products that I've never tried before, so I'm very excited. Yeah, come over here. We need to find the good lighting. See, look how good this lighting is. Okay, so this is for you. Thank you. It's a necklace. Okay, I have to show it up close, but I didn't want to open it. So like I said, it's a pendant with a tulip on it because tulips are her favorite flower. Very nice. There you go. And the dogs are all here, curious. Yeah, put it on. This box is made from recycled paper.
What is it? Cat?
It's a necklace. It's a necklace with a tulip on it. There you go. Cute. It's so pretty. That's actually a good length. Good. Looks good with your outfit. Here we go. Very nice. Okay. You're welcome. Okay, so we're trying a new product tonight. So usually we get the Beyond sausages, but President's Choice, which is like our grocery store brand, has these ones. And they look to be about the same ingredients as the Beyond Meat ones. So we shall see if they're good. So this is what they look like. We barbecued them. We're also having air fryer potatoes, some steamed green beans, and some fried, what do you call it, mushrooms and zucchini.
It smells a little like bacon strips. Look at Greg, he was like, what?
Might. Cut it in half and put it on each side of the bun.
This is what it looks like. They taste just like the Beyond Meat ones. Yeah. No, this is all really good.
Or with your penne.
Yummy. Okay, well this looks gross heavy, but
spicy pasta?
10 out of 10. So we have cupcakes. They're my recipe. I'll link it below.
Supposed to be like, good job, Olivia. Nice recipe.
But we
good
have
job making them, honey.
Dilly bars.
22 minutes exactly.
Show you the box from Dairy Queen. They're vegan, made with coconut cream. The inside is very creamy. So I just finished day 16 of the Sammy Active program. It's 30 days. And I just feel such a difference in like my body now versus when I was just kind of doing all the same workouts. Like this has so many different things, so I just feel like I'm working more muscles. So I'm not sure if we're gonna go for a walk now or later. Yeah, once I make breakfast, I will show you what I'm making. It's probably gonna be a smoothie. But yeah, I'll do a little what I eat in a day today and show you everything that we're eating. Gotta close you in because I'm busy and I can't watch you. Yeah, get her, Hazel. You get her. Oh, the big girl. Oh, yes, the big girl. Hi, baby. Good girl. Okay, we're back from our walk. I'm gonna make a smoothie. It's gonna be a little different than the smoothie that I made in my last video because I have pretty much a protein smoothie every day, and so I like to change it up frequently. Protein smoothies have been my go-to breakfast because it actually just keeps me full so much longer than anything I've tried. Like at the beginning, I was trying out different breakfasts to see what kind of like got me through until lunch and like didn't have to snack and stuff, because I don't really like snacking. I don't really love snacks, which sounds weird, but I just like having a breakfast, lunch, and dinner and not having to like stop in the middle of the day and have a snack. So protein smoothies are pretty much my go-to. I also love that I can just add my morning coffee into that. Again, just kind of like streamlining things, because having to take out time to do a workout in the morning means I have less time before I start working to eat breakfast and get ready and all of that. So I like to streamline everything. Maybe like I'll go a little bit more into depth about this in a different video, or if you guys want, but I've lost about 20 pounds since we started this like early to mid-December, and protein powder and protein smoothies have definitely helped with that, because I really had to up my protein intake. When I started tracking my food, I realized I was getting like way under the amount of protein that I should be having on a given day, and then where I was working out so much more, I needed even more protein. So I've really like found a lot of good staple foods that are high in protein, and I found a lot of good like really high protein meals, but pretty much the best breakfast that I found is a protein smoothie. Also, I wanted to make it very clear that me losing weight does not mean that I wasn't happy with my body before and that I didn't love myself. I genuinely, like, we took some photos when we started, and I genuinely was like, I look good. Like, I felt very comfortable and just, I don't know, I was just comfortable with myself, but I was not being healthy. Like, I was not active whatsoever. I was probably getting like less than 2,000 steps a day, especially because Willa had hurt her leg, so we like hadn't been walking the dogs. Like, she wasn't really allowed to go on walks. We had not been eating healthy. It was like fall going into winter and the holidays and everything, and I was just eating like whatever, whenever. So I definitely had weight to lose. I know it's hard to tell in YouTube videos, like if someone's gained weight, especially if they're wearing, like I do, like sweaters or baggy clothing or like flowy things. So I don't want anyone thinking that just because I might not have looked like I had a ton of weight to lose, that I didn't need to lose it. Even though I was super confident and happy before, I didn't realize how much taking care of yourself really played into confidence, and I think that was kind of like the missing key piece that I didn't have. Like, I knew I wasn't taking care of myself, and so when I started getting all my steps in, eating the correct amount of protein, so I wasn't just always kind of like having like sugar crashes, I honestly just feel 1,000,000% better. Like, I'm so happy I did this. Maybe I'll put like a quick little before and after of like when we started versus kind of now. Like I said in a previous video, my channel has never been about like weight loss or fitness or anything like that. It has become a part of my story and my life and my journey, but I am not going to like become a fitness account by any means. So all that to say, I've been having protein smoothies a lot. The new protein powder that I've been using is this one by Ritual. It's really good. I've tried a lot of vegan protein powders, and a lot of them can be quite gritty. So the ones I like buy again and again are the really, really like finely milled, super, super smooth ones. And this one is that. It's so good. I don't know, like I can always just tell if a protein's gonna be good by just like how fine it is when you touch it. But I've been loving doing some of this. So I do not a full scoop, I do 3/4. And then I do half serving of the salted caramel by Tropica. So I'll just do a tablespoon of that. So I think I'm gonna add coffee into this. So I'm just gonna go quickly brew some espresso. That we've been using. It's good in smoothies, like banana. I thought I was done talking, but I was just cleaning out the dishwasher, and while I was doing that, I was thinking about all the stuff I just talked about, and I just wanted to make a few things very clear that this weight loss was done healthy. It was done very slowly. It was a result of us making so many positive changes and doing it all while being vegan. Like, I feel like if you kind of get into the fitness community on YouTube, you start thinking like, oh my god, I have to start eating like all these things that all these fitness people eat. But it's not true at all. Like, we're still eating all of our favorite foods. So maybe I'll just like flash up some photos of the kind of stuff that we eat. It's not like anything super far off from the way I ate before. It's just like slightly different portion sizes, focus on higher protein, because like I said, when I started tracking for a few days my food intake, I realized like I was way under my protein requirement. I also wanted to say, I forgot to mention this, I think I'm going to get, this is such like a funny segue into this from what I was just talking about, but I think I'm gonna go get the ice cream maker attachment for my KitchenAid. I've never had an ice cream machine before, but Greg and I have been really craving Dairy Queen Blizzards, like so bad. Like every night as the weather gets warmer, we're like, oh, I just want like ice cream, but not just the ice cream you buy in a tub at the store. We want like a soft serve with like cookie dough chunks in it. And like, yeah, you can kind of make banana ice cream and stuff, but KitchenAid has an attachment for the stand mixer that makes ice cream. And I saw Candace from the Edgy Veg made a reel where she made like a cashew coconut based one, and it looked so good. If I get that, oh, I'll obviously have to try it out like right away. So yeah, but that will be exciting. And then we can make blizzards. But anyways, relating it back, like I said, we still eat treats all the time. Like oftentimes I'll just make myself cookies for dessert. Like this really is not a huge change from how I was eating before. We've just made some slight changes that over time have really helped change like our body composition overall. But obviously I still have to eat good. So yeah. Okay, now that this is like melted and kind of gross, I'm gonna go have this and then I'll check in with you guys later on. I put on my Anna Luisa earrings. I'm making lunch. So we're kind of out of a lot of stuff. We have to put in an order for groceries. Wraps. These are similar to the protein wraps that we've had, but they're just like a smaller version. I don't feel like having a huge wrap right now because I had my smoothie kind of late today. I'm gonna have some of this cheese on them. I've got some shredded king oyster mushrooms here that I'm gonna pan fry with some of this Gusta seitan roast. And then I'll just put it all in here, add some sauces and stuff. Okay, my wrap's almost done. So I've got some strawberries. I just put like the cheese slice on the wrap and then I'll put the hot stuff on that. So I just added in kale, some green onions, and then the seitan and mushrooms and some barbecue sauce. That is basically what it's gonna be like. Yeah, so I will probably update you again at dinner. So I ended up getting the ice cream maker attachment, but unfortunately you have to freeze the bowl for a minimum of 15 hours before using it. So I won't actually be making it in this video because I'm gonna end this vlog tonight, but I have the instructions. I'm gonna read up on how to use it. I'm gonna look up some recipes, and then I'll either use it in the next vlog, or if I really love it, I'll do a video on how to use it and my favorite recipes and stuff. So I'm very excited. We also picked up some groceries. I got some gluten to make seitan, and yeah, so that's been our eventful afternoon. It's 3:48, so I'll check in with you guys when we make dinner. Okay, so it is dinner time, and I made a big, like very veggie heavy fried rice. There is rice in there, it's just hiding. And then we've got a bunch of veggies like green beans, bok choy, yu choy, red pepper, kale. I think that's it. And then I also made some of the seitan chicken, what did I call them? They're like the seitan chicken nuggets from my blog, but they're also in my cookbook. I think they're called something slightly different. And I just fried it in with some shredded oyster mushrooms. So that's my dinner. It's super easy. We're just gonna sit down and chill. A bunch more lockdown restrictions just got announced for where we live, so just feeling very defeated right now.
Time. I've eaten this food a lot.
Yes.
So how did you said you knew him?
We text all the time, and every single time he was in, I was on the other side of town.
But this is, so I guess what are we cooking today?
Well, when I found out Seth was coming on board, all I heard was that you...
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions and comments, put them below. Don't forget to check out Anna Louisa's 15% off sale. It is on until May 9th. And it makes an amazing gift for your mom or your mother figure for Mother's Day. It makes an amazing gift for yourself as well. So yeah, that is everything for me today. And all of the links for everything, including that sale, will be below. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!